Booksy Booking Platform Review. Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of Booksy, the booking platform designed for personal care and wellness services. Links to explore Booksy and its features are included in the description below. Booksy is a versatile tool that simplifies scheduling appointments for services like haircuts, nail treatments, massages, and more. Whether you're a busy professional, a self-care enthusiast, or a salon owner, Booksy caters to both clients and service providers, making it a valuable resource in the beauty and wellness industry. One of Booksy's standout features is its comprehensive search functionality. Clients can browse a wide range of services by category, location, availability, and reviews. Each provider profile is detailed, including information about the business, services offered, pricing, and photos of previous work. Verified customer reviews add an extra layer of trust, helping users make informed decisions. The booking process is intuitive and fast. After selecting a service and provider, you can choose an available time slot that fits your schedule. Booksy sends automatic reminders to ensure you never miss an appointment. Many providers also offer payment options through the app, allowing you to pay in advance or on-site, depending on your preference. For service providers, Booksy offers robust business management tools. These include appointment scheduling, client management, and marketing features like promotions and customer loyalty programs. The platform's calendar sync and notification system help businesses stay organized and reduce no-shows. Booksy's mobile app is another major strength. It provides seamless access to bookings, profiles, and appointment histories, all from your smartphone. The app's real-time availability ensures that clients can book last-minute services without hassle, and providers can manage their schedules on the go. In summary, Booksy is ideal for anyone seeking a convenient and reliable way to book or manage personal care appointments. For clients, it's a time-saving tool that streamlines the self-care process. For providers, it's a comprehensive solution to enhance customer engagement and business efficiency. Check the links in the description to explore Booksy and elevate your self-care or service management experience today.